Come on, run over mommy. Oh yeah, here he goes. Oh man. You're gonna run into the curb. Look at this motorcycle man. Hey Gavin. Oh no, you're gonna run into me? Oh, look at this. He's doing tricks. He's like, I'm gonna ride it one-sided. Oh no, he's catching up. Oh no, he's catching up. Oh no, here he comes. Here he comes. Oh no, he just took a sharp turn. Here it comes. Ah! Oh, right into me.
Did you think he was gonna stop?
He doesn't even care. Uh-oh, you hit a curb. Oh no. Good job. You working on the parts? Checking out how the motorcycle works? Good job. Pretty. Oh, I wish we still had Sons of Anarchy shirt that could fit him. Little motorcycle man.